Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to remotely delete and reset your data from a particular website in Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to Chrome icon on your phone, just like what you see right here. Then what you need to do is to simply click and hold down, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to go to app info. So click on that. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to go to storage and cache. It's going to take you right here. Now what you need to do right here is to simply click on clear storage. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on manage. Then it's going to take you to all websites you have been visited so far from your Chrome browser. So once you get here, what you need to do is to simply select a particular website you would like to remove totally on your browse history. So I'm going to simply select this particular website right here. Then it's going to take me right here. Now you can see site settings. So this particular website here store my data of about 239 megabytes has been stored on their server. And what we want to do here is to simply click on delete data and reset permission right here. And this is going to pump up. Now, delete and reset. This action would delete all local data, including cookies, and reset all permission for this particular website. You may be signed out of this site. Any offline data will be deleted. Simply click on here, and the website will be removed, and all your data will also be deleted remotely on the site server. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply delete your data history and how you can reset permission for any website you visit in your Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.